Meaning of dhania.
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 dhania,
Dhania. Dhania is a term commonly used in South Asian cuisine to refer to the herb coriander. It is a popular ingredient in many dishes, adding a fragrant and slightly citrusy flavor. The plant is also used for its medicinal properties, such as aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Dhania can be consumed fresh or dried, and is often paired with other herbs and spices like cumin, turmeric, and ginger. Its versatility and health benefits make dhania a staple in many kitchens and cultures around the world.